I'll show you how to key in the start time and end time on a visit that was not done on EVV. To do that, you will click on the visit. You will click Edit up at the top. In this case, we will go ahead and click on the Start button, and then we will change the time to the actual time that the visit was started. And we'll put in the actual end time that the visit ended as well. For the EVV start and end, we will make the technology manual. This means that the visit was not done on EVV, and instead we are entering it manually. You may even want to make a note here, manually entered from timesheet, for example. And then that way you'll have a note of how this was recorded originally. You do not have to check adjust times because nothing has been sent on this visit. We're putting this in manually, so you'll just do it this way. For the tasks, you can check them off as they were done. If there were any that were not completed, you can uncheck those and say why they were not completed. In addition, we are going to put a change reason. In this case, the change reason, I'm not sure what it is. You would have to indicate what it was. If it was an issue with the clinician's mobile device or whatever happened, I don't know what happened. But in this case, we'll put missed due to whatever it was, whatever the reason was. And you can word the change memo in your own words. You don't have to use any certain wording. You can just put whatever happened right there. Once you have all of that, you'll do update visit to update it. So I want to go over that again. Up at the top, we started the visit. Then we put the accurate start and end times here. We changed start and end to manual. In this case, I went ahead and made a note on why I was doing it manually, just that it was entered from the timesheet. I made any changes to the tasks as necessary. This part is optional. Then I indicated why a task was not completed as well. I put in a change reason and I put in a change memo. After that, I can go ahead and click the Update Visit button. And that visit is now indicated as completed right here. So that is how you complete a visit that was not done on EVV.